Imagine having your life's work bombed to the ground, losing loved ones along the way, yet still building one of the most iconic brands in the world. That's the story of Enzo Ferrari, the man behind the legendary Ferrari company, who turned tragedy and setbacks into an empire. Enzo Ferrari was born in 1898 in Modena, Italy. From a young age, he was captivated by the thrill of speed and the workings of machines. But life wasn't kind to him. In 1916, during the flu pandemic, Enzo lost both his father and older brother. This tragedy forced him to drop out of school and start working as a mechanic to support his family. After returning from World War I, where he contracted the Spanish flu, he found his way into racing. In 1920, Enzo Ferrari got his break with Alfa Romeo, becoming a successful race car driver. Within a few years, he was promoted to head their racing division, Scuderia Ferrari. But Enzo had a bigger dream: to create cars under his own name, cars that would dominate both on and off the racetrack. In 1939, Enzo Ferrari left Alfa Romeo to start his own company. But the outbreak of World War II threw a wrench in his plans. The Ferrari factory, originally located in Modena, was repurposed to produce war materials like aircraft parts. Then, in 1944, tragedy struck again. His factory was bombed by Allied forces. Everything Enzo Ferrari had worked for was destroyed in an instant. But Enzo Ferrari didn't give up. Instead, he rebuilt. By 1946, he had moved operations to Maranello, where he would eventually create his automotive empire. In 1947, the first Ferrari car, the 125S, was born. A sleek, high-powered machine with a V12 engine that announced Ferrari's arrival in the world of motorsport. Even after the war, Ferrari faced serious financial challenges. To keep his dream alive, Enzo Ferrari made a pivotal decision. He would build luxury road cars alongside his racing cars. It wasn't an easy choice, but it worked. His cars became symbols of speed and sophistication, attracting wealthy buyers from around the world. This helped sustain the business, while the racing team, Scuderia Ferrari, continued to dominate Formula One, winning numerous championships. But Enzo Ferrari's journey wasn't without personal heartbreak. In 1956, his beloved son Dino passed away from muscular dystrophy. The loss devastated Enzo, but it also fueled his determination to continue building the company. He even named one of his most iconic car models, the Ferrari Dino, in honor of his son. By the 1960s, Ferrari was facing new financial pressures. To ensure the survival of his company, Enzo Ferrari sold a 50% stake to Fiat, giving Ferrari the backing it needed to continue producing high-performance cars and remain competitive in racing. It was a smart move that allowed Enzo to focus on what he did best, leading his company to greatness. Enzo Ferrari passed away in 1988 at the age of 90, but his legacy lives on. Today, Ferrari is worth over $55 billion, and the prancing horse logo has become a symbol of speed, luxury, and innovation worldwide. The factory in Maranello, rebuilt after being bombed, still stands as a testament to his resilience and vision. Enzo Ferrari's story shows that even in the face of overwhelming loss and destruction, you can rebuild and come back stronger. From losing his family and seeing his factory destroyed, to creating one of the most valuable car brands in the world, Enzo Ferrari's journey is proof that determination and leadership can turn setbacks into success.